before the ball game, we figured Santa Lucia is leading the league. I think that they're playing the best right now. And really, their game is fueled by their energy and their confidence. Their energy is coming from a lot of energy players like Kelly Williams, Joseph Yu, Enoch Miranda, Ryan Reyes. They're fantastic energy players. Confidence coming from their recent title. So we tried to make it as simple as possible before the game, and we said, number one, we have to match their energy. We have to match their energy and hopefully shake their confidence a little bit. I think we were able to achieve that at the start, but, like we expected, Santa Lucia came strong in the second quarter. But credit to the guys. I mean, I was so upset at halftime. I just got mad at the players. I hardly did any technical adjustments at halftime because I felt if we were going to win this game, we were going to win it from the heart, not from gameplay, not from game plans or offense or defense or any technical stuff. We were going to win it from the heart. And I thought we showed a lot of heart out there in the second half to pull through with this victory. What can you say? I sat Mac down in the second quarter because I felt he made a couple of bad decisions on offense. Let go of his man a little bit defensively. But again, he came back in the second half ready to play. I got on Jay Washington hard for Kelly Williams having 13 or 15 points in the first half, but he came back in the second half ready to play. And I think that's a good sign of the growth of this team. Technically, what we wanted to do in this game, Santa Lucia is giving up the fewest points in the conference, 89 points. And I figured we had to score in the hundreds to have a chance to beat them. They're playing such tremendous defense, and what do you know? We scored 115 points. So I think that was important. We were able to get our way offensively against the best defensive team in the league.